Hello YouTube, how's everybody? Every time you see video like this, mountain lion encounter in the national park, you want to go out and buy a big knife the next time you go hiking. Any reason for to buy a knife, right? Yeah. So this is what I got. Got a big knife. This one is called Tac-Force EMT large 10.5-inch rescue knife. Here it is. And it is huge. I put my watch next to it for comparison size. Huge. Very, very well made, solid. Come with a window breaker. In case you get trapped in the car. Of course, you can always use this to smash somebody's skull if you need to, or a mountain lion skull. Believe me, if you get hit by one of these, you will need EMT rescue. Here's the blade. Whoa. This one was only for less than $12. Extremely well made, very heavy. Thick blade, solid, no give whatsoever. You can use this to defend yourself. Again, something like this, maybe something like that, maybe even something like that. Any reason to buy a knife, right? The Tac-Force EMT rescue knife, extra large, 10.5 inches in length, fully opened, has a seatbelt cutter right there, has a steel window breaker to smash your window. Cool. I love it. Thank you for watching.